Hello, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro. I'm in the group 24 of the subject language and culture. Today, I'm going to talk about a reflection about the script that I have already did. So my script is regarding about death, the date of death. So this script offers a deep reflection about the Mexican traditions, particularly the Day of Death, and how this teaches the important lessons about life, family, and memory. Through the characters and their interactions, several keys learning can be drawn. The first step that I want to talk is the importance of tradition as a link to the past. So the script shows us that traditions such as preparing a mole or setting up the altar are more than just customs. They represent the way of keeping memories of loved ones alive, passing of their tastes, stories, and legacy through the generation. A tradition is a bridge between the present and the past, and by honoring it, identify and the sense of belonging after affirmed. The second step is the value of family and shared time. Throughout the script, there is a tension between the modern responsibility represented by Sofia and the respect for the family customs represented by the grandma Lupita. This contrast encounters that while contemporary life can be demanding, family and time spent with meaningful relationships are critical to preserving emotional and spiritual well-being in the fast-paced world. Also, the script reminds us that stopping to participate in family traditions is a way to nourish the soul. And also, the last step is the mix of the serious and the playful in Mexican culture. The representative of Katrina is a mystical figure who is both solemn and playful, reflects how Mexican culture deals with deep issues like death and an attitude that balance the scare and the day. In conclusion, the script teaches us that tradition, although they may sometimes seem demanding or old-fashioned in modern fast-paced age, are essential to our identity and to keeping connection with our loved ones alive, and also the family customs not only honor the dead but also strengthen the bonds between the living, reminding us what really matters in life, also the love, memory, and community.